The Mega Sis, Megan Bayne, up to the top.
Whoa. Interesting to see Marina, Shafir, and Megan Bayne still teaming together.
She's going to throw her.
Oh, Mina Shirakawa sent flying to the floor as this TBS Championship match continues. Who will emerge with the title? Mina Shirakawa, but Willow Nightingale intercepted, and now Willow. Oh, gosh! Avalanche German suplex. But meanwhile, Mina Shirakawa to the top shotgun drop kick. Mina moving with urgency here. The rolling elbow strike. One to the back of the head, and now the knockout shot. Mina Shirakawa.
She's got this in hand. She's got it in hand.
A spinning back fist. Willow goes down. Mina. Figure four. We are on the verge of seeing the TBS. Oh, wait a second. 1, 2, 3.
How about that?
Here's your winner, and still the TBS champion, Willow Nightingale.
What a week for Willow Nightingale. 3 title defenses in a span of 5 days.
Willow Nightingale, the face of TBS, successfully defends her title against three very potent competitors.
I can't believe Megan Bayne's standing after that German suplex off the top rope.
And Marina Shafir barely standing, but Willow Nightingale still your TBS champion.